OnePlus will unveil the OnePlus 5 in just a few days, but that doesn't stopping the leaks to come in. The new leaks reveal the OnePlus 5 will have a physical home button on the front. OnePlus also posted a new teaser image of the OnePlus 5, and as you can see, the alert slider is back and it seems to be crafted with a diamond pattern, that should make it very easy to find by touch alone. Also, we've got the live images of the OnePlus 5 in a protective case. So, apart from looking like the iPhone 7 Plus, the OnePlus 5 also has a look-alike in the OPPO. As for specs, Qualcomm has already confirmed that the OnePlus 5 will be powered by the Snapdragon 835 processor. Recent leaks claim that the phone will also feature a 5.5-inch display with 1920x1080 Full HD resolution and P3 color gamut, 6GB or 8GB of RAM, 64GB or 128GB of internal storage, a dual-lens camera with 20MP and 16MP sensors, Bluetooth 5.0 support, LTE C12, a fingerprint sensor with a ceramic coating and a 3300 mAh battery that will support dash charge. Thankfully, we won't have to wait long to find out which of these rumors are true and which are false. The OnePlus 5 Live launch event will begin streaming on June 20th.